Setting up the OpenVPN app on your Android device is a reliable way to manually secure your mobile internet connection. Once the setup is complete, all your mobile data will travel through an encrypted tunnel, keeping your traffic hidden from outside observers. Before we begin, make sure you have an internet-connected Android device, an active Surfshark account, and access to the Play Store. Having these three elements ready ensures you can finish the configuration and secure your device in just a few minutes. To start, log into your dashboard on the Surfshark website and navigate to the Manual Setup section. You will see a list of servers. Choosing a location geographically close to you will help maintain faster connection speeds. Select your preferred server and download the configuration file. We recommend choosing the UDP protocol, as it typically offers faster performance than TCP. Next, switch to You should leave this tab open for now, as we'll need these details later. It is important to note that you cannot use your standard account email and password here. You must use these specific service credentials generated by Surfshark for OpenVPN connections. This isolation ensures the OpenVPN app can connect to the network without needing access to your primary account login. Now, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for OpenVPN. You will see several similar results. To follow this tutorial, look for the app titled OpenVPN for Android and click Install. Launch the app, agree to the terms of service, and wait for the pop-up asking for file access. You must click Allow. If the app is blocked from accessing your files, it won't be able to read the configuration file we downloaded. Within the app interface, tap the File tab to begin the import. Navigate to your phone's Downloads folder, select the .ovpn file you downloaded earlier, and press Import. This file contains the server addresses and security certificates the application needs to establish a handshake with the Surfshark network. You can now assign a profile name. It's best to name it after the city or country of the server you chose so you can identify it easily. Go back to the Surfshark credentials page in your browser. Copy the service username and paste it into the username field in the app. Repeat this for the service password. Check the box to save your password, then click Add. To start the VPN, simply tap the gray toggle switch next to your new profile. Android will ask you to confirm the VPN connection and the client certificate. Click OK and continue to authorize the connection. If the connection is successful, the toggle switch will turn green and the status will change to connected. To verify everything is working, open your browser and go to surfshark.com/whatismyip. The IP address and location on this page should now perfectly match the server location you chose at the beginning. This match confirms that your traffic is successfully encrypted and your actual physical location is hidden. As long as the toggle remains green, your mobile data is private and your connection is secure. If you have any trouble connecting, you can reach out to the customer support team for help. Subscribe for more privacy tutorials, or click another video on the screen to keep watching. Learning to use manual configurations allows you to manage your VPN connection independently, providing an alternative way to secure your mobile traffic.